Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're going to do another experiment that we never did before. I took it from a suggestion of one of our friend subscriber. We're going to use liquid coconut oil. So I think it's going to be interesting. Of course, since it's oil, it's all base, you have to put as little as you can because you risk the danger of that your work won't dry good enough. It can leave, you know, a streak of oil. So we're going to put just a few drops of coconut oil and we'll see what happens. Let's go and try it. So guys, listen, I hope you're gonna agree that the finish is great. I think it gives the coconut oil, I'm not sure if it's only because of the coconut oil, but I think it must have an incidence on the finish. Since the finish, I find it to be a finish very soft. So I think it's nice. I think, like you saw, I did burned it a little bit because I wanted to get rid of the air bubble. But what happened is that probably there was some place that there was a small amount of oil. Then when we burned it, we did create some cells. listen, for me it's so great, and as I'm talking to you, because I just finished it, you see it once it's dry. I hope it's going to stay that way because it's great. As I'm looking at it, every second that passes is becoming more bright. So I think it's very nice for that matter. I think, well, you know what? I think that the coconut oil was a great suggestion. I think it's very nice. And listen, if you want to have some cells and a nice soft finish, that's the way to go. Of course, there's a bit of an incidence between the finish since I did put a lot of darker color. So if you want to have, of course, more brightness, you put brighter color, of course. But I think that way it's softer, it's nice, it's, you can say, richer. The finish is richer. So listen, again, it's subjective, it's a question of taste, but I hope you agree with me that the way that we did go about it is very nice. So guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope, of course, like always, you're going to try it. And don't forget to join us on Facebook and Instagram. It's always fun to share things from day-to-day life. So guys, like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's very important to us. Thanks, and see you on the next painting video. Okay guys, ciao.